Yo, what's going on, everybody? My name is Dylan. You guys are chilling with Dylan, and today I'm bringing you a brand new unboxing video. Alrighty, guys. So yes, we do have another brand new unboxing. From the box, you guys can tell this is another Jordan 1. Let's get right into the label, guys. We have let's see if y'all can make that out. All right, so as you guys can see on the label, finally it focused. I got the Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG, black, mystic navy, and white. It is a size 11.5, my true to size in an Air Jordan 1. Like always, hit the box open. Man, these things smell like glue, man. These things are stinking up in here. They do kind of smell pretty premium, though. Oh, yeah, look at these things. So we look at that. We got the Air Jordan 1 Low OG. These are the Mystic Navy joints. I was actually able to pick these things up off of the Sneakers app, surprisingly. No idea how I was able to cop these things off the draw. Literally, probably my first draw pickup that I have in, man, ages. It's been a minute. But yeah, guys, let's get into these things. First off, let me guys know, what do you guys think of the Air Jordan 1 Low? Do you prefer the high or do you prefer the low? Obviously, I prefer the high. It's more of that classic silhouette. But these things are nice, man. So, looking at the back right here, you do have the Jordan Wings logo in black. It's like a gloss black. And then you have that Mystic Navy right here. Now, this leather, it kind of looks like a suede or a nubuck at first glance there on the camera, but that is leather. That is a nice plush leather, as well as right here where the black is. That is a premium soft leather right here. I mean, you guys can tell this thing is nice buttery smooth leather. Toe box, Mystic Navy. Got that nice shiny leather right there. That premium soft leather. Mystic Navy on the outsole. That beautiful Jordan 1 outsole. Got the Mystic Navy hits on the Nike Air on the tongue right there. And then you guys can see the Nike Air logo right there in Mystic Navy against the backdrop of the white on the insole. These do come with an extra set of laces. Those blue spare laces right here. But yeah, man, these things are so clean. Not really much to go over with these things. They're just kind of, it's an Air Jordan 1 Low. What I am going to do real quick, if you guys give me 1 second, I'm going to go grab my dark marina blue highs so we can compare. All right, guys, so I just grabbed the Air Jordan 1 dark marina blues right here. You can tell that these guys, I have worn these things. You can tell on the outsole, but look, on the inside, virtually identical to these guys right here. Right there. Right there. I mean, pretty much identical. Obviously, the highs is getting a little worn down now since I've been wearing it. I also threw in the white laces as well on these guys. But yeah, virtually identical, man. I mean, obviously, this is the Mystic Navy on the toe box. This is a different shade of blue as well. You can actually really kind of tell up close and personal how different that shade of blue is, which is kind of crazy now that when looking at these things side by side, because I originally thought that these things were such a muted blue. Then putting them side by side with these things, this is way more of a muted blue than even these guys right here. These guys on camera compared to these things look like the Royals. They literally look like a Royal if it was just in this color blocking. It looks like that color on the camera. But yeah, man, just a really solid pickup to have both of these things in the collection. Obviously, the low top, it's a cheaper shoe. I think they were $130 retail. I don't think the box shows it. No, they don't put the price on the box anymore. But yeah, it's more of a cleaner summer vibe type of shoe. Throw these things on, casually rock them around. Don't gotta go too crazy. This colorway kind of matches with a whole lot, so you can put a lot of outfits together if you're into that sort of thing. And other than that, guys, yeah, that pretty much does it for me in this video right here. Like I said, let me know what you guys think of these things down below in the comment section. If you went for them, were you able to pick them up? Let me know. If you did enjoy the video, guys, please make sure you are smashing that like button. It really does help out the channel, as well as hit the notification bell so you do not miss another one of my videos. And please, 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 please hit the subscribe button so we can get this channel growing and pop off even more. Alright, guys, so that's gonna do it. My name is Dylan. You guys just chill with Dill, and I'm out. Peace.